Hi guys, simply Natural here. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have another video of compression stockings. Actually, if you would have seen the last video that I did, these stockings that we got at that time wasn't the right length, so we decided to go elsewhere and we got this one at Laquis. This one is from the brand UniSpot. It's Anti-Embolism stockings. Right, it comes in this packaging. It says when performance is key, and it says London Healthcare Limited. So this is the color, it's black. The size is thigh-high length, as you can see, which is the size that we wanted. This is below the knee and the thigh-high. So let's open it to see how it looks. That's the peephole showing the color of it, of course. Then they have the item number and the size. Material 75% polyamide and 25% elastane. Alright, so I'll have to zoom out the camera to see the full length of it. And it has a thick. Okay, so I guess this is at the back or the front. I'm not sure, but we'll figure it out. So this is a big area here that I guess is for comfort. If you notice this, it's joined, so this whole area is joined up. So here has a little more stretch, and here down here is tight. This part is tight. Okay, and it actually has a space for your toes. Cool. So let's turn it on the right side. This part looks like it's on the wrong side. I'm not sure how this was supposed to look, because this part here is attached, and then it looked like this part is on the wrong side. So this is weird to me. I guess we'll figure it out. Right, so there's that piece, and then there's a big space in there. If we are going in terms of with the seams, then I guess it's probably should be this way. It's obvious this will have to be used this way. To me, that is how this part will be, instead of wrong side. So this is it, wrong side. Yeah, and this is it. I turn over the right side, and then it goes all the way down. So this part is what I was showing. The white, the wrong side, and this part looks like right side, so I don't know how this is supposed to fit. And it doesn't have an instruction, it just have here how to choose the type of stockings. Yeah, we'll have to look up this online just to make sure. And if anything, I'll put an update. That's it, guys. So this is another brand. We're gonna try this and see if this one works. Hopefully this one works and does what it's supposed to do. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.